Oscar Carmona for Healing Grounds, certified biodynamic vegetable and herb nursery located in beautiful Santa Barbara, California. Here to talk to you today about creating shade in your garden for certain vegetables. The purpose of creating shade for vegetables has primarily to do with temperature ranges. In this situation, we have lettuces, which like a little bit cooler climate than, say, the tomatoes and the summer squash. Celery can also tolerate to a certain extent a little bit higher degree of temperature, as well as chard. And I'm basically talking about lettuces liking anywhere from the upper 40s, low 50s through the low to mid 70s. On a very hot day like we have today, creating shade opportunities is an easy to do thing, but also can help you create more diversity in your garden setting by providing some microclimates. A simple way to create shade is I've gotten just 4 pieces of bamboo that I cut off a stalk of or stand of bamboo in the backyard, and it took me about no more than 5 minutes to do. And I have a recycled nursery flat that has all the right characteristics that I'd like in a shade opportunity, in that it's a meshed open bottom, semi-transparent, semi-shading, covering, protecting from the sun. So simply placing that over the top of this creates shade and cooler conditions underneath. I've got it faced to the south because it gives more opportunities to track where the sun is going. Another alternative is to use some material for screens for your home. Easy to buy in bulk, and you can use something like this just to drape over a similar stick setup. Doesn't have to be too elaborate or expensive, and it can be really a critical change in your climate that's going to allow you to grow a larger variety of crops than you probably thought you could have before. I'm Oscar Carmona for Healing Grounds, certified biodynamic nursery located in beautiful Santa Barbara, California. Happy gardening.